Welcome to our channel.
Let's learn about action verbs with sentences today. Walk. I am walking to school. Run. I am running fast. Jump. I am jumping up and down. Play. We are playing with football. Eat. I am eating my lunch. Drink. I am drinking water. Sleep. I am sleeping in my bed. Sit. I am sitting on a chair. Talk. I am talking to my friend. Listen. I am listening to music. Throw. I am throwing the ball. Cry. I am crying. Laugh. I am laughing. Read. I am reading the book. Write. I am writing a letter. Cook. I am cooking food. Clean. I am cleaning the floor. Dance. I am dancing. Sing. We are singing a song. Paint. I am painting with brush. Draw. I am drawing a picture.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you next time.